Creativity works by turning something simple into something interesting. What's up guys, it's Eric here. Firstly, I would like to thank you for tuning in with me today for another self-improvement video. If you're new around here, in this channel, it's all about improving today to be better for tomorrow. And the topic I've got for you right now is about improving your creativity. Okay, being creative can be used in any way you want it. Sky's the limit. It's only your mind that can put an end to it. Note this. Everything in this world is built by creativity. And when it comes to being creative, you don't need to break the rules. You can just simply bend them. And creativity is not something that you're born with or a talent that you inherit from past generations. But it's something that can be improved by just learning and practicing. So I've put together 5 steps guiding you into improving your creativity. Step 1. Learn from collaborations. Collaborative creativity is a phrase that is often used in the arts world. This role is important when improving creativity because learning different perspectives from other individuals is the perfect exercise to get creative. For example, group projects and team meetings are a perfect example for this, as it teaches you different ideas and adding new things to what you just know. Step 2. Do something you love, like finding your inner core on what you really love doing. Your vision for creativity is much more enhanced when you're happy with what you're doing. Step 3. Find inspirations. This is just by reading a book, visiting a place you like, or listening to your favorite music. Like, find something that will motivate you and keep you going and put you on the positive side. Step 4. Unplug. This is just by unplugging yourself and not doing anything. Your mind does need to rest from time to time. And by unplugging, it will clear your mind and make more space for new ideas. Step 5. Travel alone. This is just by simply going for a walk, or if you have that extra money, you can fly to another country. Because the most important aspect into improving your creativity is learning new things on your own. And traveling alone and having the chance to think on your own gets you a more direct, straight to the point idea of what you want. Sometimes you just have to be alone to stand out from the crowd. So those are the 5 steps that I put together into improving your creativity. 1. Learn from collaborations. 2. Do something you love. 3. Find inspirations. 4. Unplug. And 5. Travel alone. Everyone will have a different perspective and vision about being creative because people have different experiences in life. And if you're struggling getting your mind straight, even if it's not improving creativity, I believe these guidelines can get you to learn who you truly are and open up your mind to better things. Creativity is inventing, experimenting, growing, taking risks, breaking rules, making mistakes, and most of all, having fun. Well, that's the end of the video. Once again, thank you for watching. If you haven't done so, just hit that like and subscribe button and the bell next to it for future videos. If you want to improve your self-confidence, check out my previous videos in the credits. As for now, I'll see you on the next video.